I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to use your AirPods as a remote for your iPhone or iPad camera. Step 1. First, you'll want to open your AirPods case near your iPhone or iPad so they will show up in the settings menu. Step 2. Tap to open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap the name of your AirPods in this menu. Step 3. Scroll down this menu to the Camera Control section and then tap Camera Remote. Associated options are displayed. Step 4. Tap to select Press Once if you want to click the stem on your AirPods to take a picture, or select Press and Hold if you want pressing and holding the stem on your AirPods to take a picture instead. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.